Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try this question yourself, please pause the video now. If you got the answer C, congratulations and give yourself a pat on the back. And if you want to see my explanation of how I find the answer, please continue watching. So, graph shows how the potential difference V across an electrical component varies with current I in the component. A tangent has been drawn on the curve at point P for a current of I2. So we've just got a potential difference, current graph, and the tangent has been drawn at point P. And the question is, what is the resistance of the electrical component when the current in the component is I2? Well, we know the potential difference is current times resistance. So resistance is potential difference over current. And when the current is I2, the potential difference is V2. So the resistance at that particular point is V2 over I2. An easy answer. Almost too easy. Why did they bother drawing this tangent in? I think they drew the tangent because a lot of students make a mistake and they think that on a potential difference current graph, the gradient is directly proportional to the resistance. It isn't. The gradient shows how the resistance is changing. As the gradient increases on a potential difference current graph, the resistance increases. As the gradient reduces, the resistance decreases. On a current potential difference graph, the gradient is inversely proportional to the resistance. So as the gradient increases, the resistance decreases. I hope you found this useful. Please leave a like and a comment below, and I hope you'll watch more in the series.